For sending email with PHPMailer, you need a few things: Composer, XAMPP, or a cPanel to host any code editor. After installing all those things and come back here. To use a PHPMailer, here are instructions how we can use and how to install all those steps we will see in this video. I'll put a link in the description. So this is the composer command. You have to copy, then go to your project, then type here cmd and paste that command here. Composer requires PHPMailer and PHPMailer and hit enter. It will create composer.json file and all the necessary packages for us. If you see like this of message, you can cut. Then index.php is our main file. You have to open in a code editor. Then scroll down and you have to copy this code and paste in your code editor. Now we need a one SMTP account that we can connect to PHPMailer so it can send email like a host name, username, password. So let's create. I'm using my cPanel for creating SMTPs. Go to email accounts, then create PHPMailer. It's a username. Then password you can generate or you can copy this password and paste here. Next our username is phpmailer@rathorji.in. So let me create. So phpmailer and rathorji.in. Copy and username. Then port number. Let's check what is our SMTP port number. Click to manage and connected devices. And here are a port name 465 and host name is this one for outgoing mail.rathorji.in. Host name. Port number is 465. So now we have added SMTP to PHPMailer. Then set a from is a from email and from name. So same email address we can copy and paste here. Here will be your organization name. Add address. It will take a recipient email address. So let me add my email address and it's Rathorji. Remove this line. You can also add reply to reply email. You can also add. So I don't need. Let me remove. Also you can add CC and BCC. So that also I don't need. If you want to add attachment to this email, you can give a path. So we will see in the next video. This is not important right now. Just we are understanding how PHPMailer works. So subject, body and alternative body. So body is this will contain HTML tags like a B tag, H1, H2 and any HTML you can add inside a body. So alternative body message we don't need. So let me remove this one as well. So every time you have to any update here in a file, you have to Control S for shortcut or you can simply go to file and save. Alright. So now we need to run and see it's working or not. Localhost and our project name and hit enter. So as you can see here, message sent successfully. If you want to hide this debugging code, so mails SMTP debug and you can make it false. Just remove and FLSE false and refresh. And now it's totally hidden. So now message has been sent. Now we need to check message is goes or sent to our email or not. So let me check my inbox. So I have shown you easiest way to install a PHPMailer in your PHP project to send emails with SMTP. You can use any SMTP with this. There are no problem. Any company's SMTP support host name, username and password and port number. These four things is very important for connecting with SMTP and PHPMailer. So if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.